So today we are fitting a USB in the TK. We've got this little kit here, which is a 7.5 amp inline fuse, a couple of connectors, a bullet plug and USB. Now I've got this here for a motorcycle and never used it, so I was going to just waz it into the cab here in the TK. There's some plug sockets over there. Well, there's no sockets, but there's no bodybuilder plugs on these old wagons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get myself a cable and run it into the cab. There's the battery under there, and here is a very handy hole in the bulkhead. So I'm going to route my cable along here, down here, and to the battery with a 7.5 amp fuse. Probably go off that isolator, and then I'll have 12 volt in the cab, and then we'll fit the USB socket in there. Right, I'm not sure what you can see there. Light's getting a bit the better of us, to be honest. So what we've done here, we've just connected onto the back of this isolator, and we're just going to take a feed off of that. We haven't got a waterproof plug socket, fuse holder, but nothing else looks very waterproof anyway. So that's our feed going into the cab. We've got 7.5 amp on there, and then the neutral, we're just going to go onto the battery. Okay, so now we're in the cab. What we should be doing is really looking for a handy ignition live, dun dun dun, or in this case, this one. Now this comes. I was thinking of trying to salvage this, but basically it wasn't that expensive, so just get another one. Bada boom, got power.